Dear Hooyo,
I'm sorry. I'm sorry for what's going on in our community right now. It feels like he's been stabbed not with a knife, but reality itself.
deep wounds in our community makes me wonder, will these bandages even help?
Hearing about another death became a freaking topic we all talk about.
So, was it an overdose? Was it a crime?
Or was it because they were black and Muslim?
All things aside, Hooyo, I never met a person who's stronger like you. A person who's willing to be able to brush off discrimination and racism like you.
You left your native land, our home, to a country filled with promises but a lot of unknowns. You've overcame everything from financial problems to language barriers.
And the only thing I can say, Hooyo, is Alhamdulillah, and thank you for all the sacrifices that you made.
Thank you, Hooyo.
Thank you, Hooyo.
Thank you, Hooyo.
Just want to say thank you.
Thank you.